Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And if you are new here, my name is C.
This is Dono.
And we are
The Winfrey Affair.
The Winfrey Affair vlogging. I don't know. I think it's just vlogging with the Winfrey. We still trying to get our new channel put together. But today we're bringing you on a very special video. We are starting a series where we're doing couple projects around the house. And our first one is the refrigerator organization, and more so like the kitchen organization period. But we're starting off with just refrigerator today. I'm super excited because usually Don does not join me in these things, but he is. So I'm just really excited. This is, been a lifelong dream of mine to have my husband be with me as we're organizing. We are actually here at Kroger waiting to pick up the groceries so that we can go home and organize them. So yes, we're super excited to bring you guys with us on today's video. And definitely, if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click the like button and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a video. And yeah.
All right, you're all set. Thanks.
So we're home now. We're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and get started on removing everything from the fridge and giving it a good wipe down. And all of our groceries are over there on the other side of this. It's a whole bunch of groceries. So yeah, let's go ahead. Let's get this cleaned out. And yeah.
Alright, so right now we're about to fit these that my wife got at Dollar Tree. We're going to try to see how many we can fit on the first two bottom shelves. And yeah, these have already been washed for the people.
So we also have 4 of these containers as well. We're just going to place these for like veggies and produce and stuff. We also have this 3-tier one that we got off Amazon, as well as the last one. We got that one off Amazon as well. Everything else is Dollar Tree. All right, so now we're about to start placing everything back into the fridge. Like I said, we have all of this stuff to do, and we have a whole bunch of groceries over there because we just got done grocery shopping.
Yes.
So yeah, let's go ahead and get this done. Alright, so right here we have all of our bagged items, like that quick frozen meals that we're going to eat. We didn't anticipate for our lasagna to be this big, but it is huge. We also have dessert items under here, breakfast items under here, and our meats in these 2 bins. We didn't have a lot of meats for these next 2 weeks coming up in our meals, so that's our meats, our little appetizers, and we have more that we're probably going to put right there once we finish everything, and frozen bread for some reason. So yeah, this is our freezer. And this is our refrigerator organization. As you can see, we have a bunch of produce. We have been slowly trying to transition over into a more plant-based diet, but as you can see, we still have some things, you know, but like I said, we have our, I saw this on TikTok that this is a good way to like store parsley and cilantro, so we'll see how this works. But behind it I have my kale, celery, carrots, greens, and those are all of my berries. Down here is just my yogurts and my leftover bin. Honestly, I need to get more yogurts. That's just what I had on hand, but that'll eventually just be all yogurts, and behind the eggs will be the leftovers. That is our meat and cheeses bin, and down here, as you can see, all drinks, which is like we have our vegetable broth, our almond milk, the water, and occasionally. And over here, down here, we have all of our vegetables and our fruits. Over here we have extra drinks and creamers because we love coffee in this household. And we have all of our condiments over here and our butter and all of that stuff.
Alright, so this is the part where we say see you later, not goodbye, because we'll always have another video coming. So I'm pretty sure my wife did the final review. This took a lot, not gonna lie, guys.
And we have a small fridge, smaller than normal fridge. So this is part 1 of our couple projects, which is the refrigerator.
Yes.
Definitely stay tuned for the next couple of videos because we will be tackling the pantry,
yes,
the linen closet,
yes,
the laundry room, like all of that, and we'll be tackling our patio as well. So we're super excited. We're super excited for you guys to see that, and yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video, and we'll catch you on our next one. Peace out. This is what happens when we try to clean.